Dependable Concrete was hired to replace a patch of grass with pavers and to allow for more parking and to add beauty to this home. And in this short video, I would demonstrate to you step by step how Dependable Concrete paved this area. To get started, we excavated the soil and spread 6 inches or 3/4 inch crushed stone. The customer chose a 6x9 Grey Cobble paver. It's very important to level out the base. On both ends of the 2x4, we notched the height of the paver. The notched 2x4 has been customized to screed the sand base to a height which set the pavers even with the adjacent concrete. It's recommended to use a wet saw for straight and clean cuts, also to reduce dust from cutting the pavers. The leveling material we use to level the base is called screening. It packs well and doesn't shift like a sand base. When laying the pavers, it's very important to maintain an even pattern with straight lines. Also, when laying the pavers, it should be laid flat when making contact with the base material. It should not be laid cocked or on an angle. After installing the pavers, it's recommended to broadcast concrete sand over the pavers and sweep the aggregate into the joints. This process helps to stabilize and lock the pavers into each other. Please like, share, and subscribe to Dependable Concrete's channel. This will allow us to inform you on the products we use to complete this project and more tips for doing concrete work. We immediately respond to all questions and comments, so leave a question and comment below. Please click the yellow mixer icon on the screen to subscribe to our channel.